Welcome to Eli's Christmas special, Impeccable. Eli's Impeccable Cabin, yet not a cabin, house tour, Christmas edition, featuring Granny. Got the big chair here, which is a bit more practical during the warmer summer times. Then we make our way in here. We'll start here with a big old, call it living room. Games, telescope, everything aboard. And then talking to myself like a sane person. Mama Jake just chilling here. Watching. Yeah, got everything all wrapped up and prettied up. Bathroom. The kitchen. Heck yeah. Crazy vlog time. I'm just doing a video, scanning around this place. Got our top-notch chefs here hard at work. I know it. And so here we got the little stairways here. We're gonna go up first at the more boring portion of it. What do you want? We got some simple bedrooms here. Bathroom, bedroom, sup squirt, another bedroom, master bedroom with its own bathroom. Now here we got the kitty's den right here. Like first you got this is a couple little simple bunk beds, but guess what? We go in here. And then we got the little servants' quarters here, pretty much, little nooks here. And then the best place to keep the kids' toys, a weapon crate. Now this is most definitely my favorite part of the house. We got this portion of the basement here, set up with mini bar setup, of course. Tiny cornhole, foosball, pool. This guy can beat you with his eyes closed. Uncle Chris.
Oh, playing billiards right now.
Oh, billiards.
Down to the billiards room.
Billiards room. Shuffleboard. This one's spanking my butt. And then we go into the second portion of the basement. If you're feeling a little classier, we got blackjack and that poker table. And connected here, we've got the exclusive movie room. Oh, I didn't know there's people in here. Oh, okay.
It's frozen.
You're frozen. Bottom deck. Of course, how can I forget this little cranny? Oh, you're supposed to be in it. Get in it. Oh, look at the, get back in there. Look at this normal little nook that there's absolutely nothing in. Supposed to come out now.
Okay, I'm gonna do this again.
And then here we have this normal nook right here with absolutely nobody in it. X. Now, am I just shooting this all just to flex? Yes. But anyway, I hope your tinsel is merry and your cherries are bright. I don't know how the saying goes. From my home, which is not my home, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New...